Hi YouTube, this is also X for ZeroZeroX.com, on YouTube at ZeroZeroX, channel ZeroZeroXVids, and on Instagram at Quantic Films. On today's video we'll be unboxing the Action 360 camera called the Insta360 One R 360 edition. And it's 360 edition because this one comes with the dual lens 360 mod. Now we ordered it from Adorama. Let's proceed with the unboxing. We used to have a 360 camera belonging to the previous generation of 360 cameras, but if you want to get started, this is a great starter kit that comes with the 32GB SD card, the USB reader for the memory cards, the Insta360 invisible selfie stick, and the camera itself, the Insta360 One R 360 edition. Again, this is an action camera, which means it's waterproof once the mounting bracket has been installed. It comes with different modules. It is an interchangeable lens action camera. Right now this one has the dual lens 360 mode, but you can install a 4K wide angle mode, a module with a 4K wide angle lens, a larger boosted battery base, and also a 1-inch wide angle mode that is co-engineered with Leica. So the Insta360 features. It features a 5.7K 360 degree capture. It has flow state stabilization. It's waterproof to 5 meters or 16.4 feet. It has an invisible selfie stick, one of the accessories that we have here. Auto frame plus auto edit, real-time 360 degree preview, point to track, voice control, hyperlapse, 4x slow-mo, HDR in photo and video mode, and night shots. It's better at night than other 360 cameras in the past. Now, what comes with the camera itself, with the Insta360 One R 360 edition? Well, we have the different modules, starting with the core that has the electronics and the LCD screen, the touch screen LCD screen for the camera. We have the dual lens 360 mode, we have the battery base and the mounting bracket to keep it all in place and makes it waterproof. Included in the box are also the charge cable and the lens cap. Let's open this box inside. That's where we have the cable. It's a USB-C to USB cable for charging. Also, we have the mounting bracket right here, as well as the lens cap to protect both lenses, the 360, the wide angle lenses. Here you see it has a mechanism to keep it in place, but it's only the bracket, it's not a full case, just a bracket that will keep all the modules together. Now, for test footage of the Insta360, you can check our video. Our next music videos will be featuring footage taken with the Insta360 One R here. Check for that video on the music section, or the music video section on the YouTube channel, on the main YouTube channel at ZeroZeroX. What else is in here? Let's check. More silica to keep in place. And you see the mounting bracket is standard. Most action cameras use that style of mounting bracket, so you can use your different accessories from other cameras. A cloth to clean the lenses, that's always good to have. Warranty, safety information, quick starter guide, use guide, how to use this camera. It's always good to have. Insta360 One R, quick manual, quick guide to use. It's mostly hardware. This is the battery module, and here is the camera itself. The camera module, or rather the core of the camera, attached to the 360 lenses. We can take them apart. This part you can replace with different lenses like the 1-inch wide angle mode but Leica, or the 4K wide angle mode. In the future they will come with a VR 180 mode as well. Right now with this camera, with this 360 camera, you can take 360 video for VR headsets, for YouTube, for Facebook. You can make videos with this mode right here. This is how they come together to form the camera. Alright, on the right side we have a little door that gives us access to the charging USB-C connection as well as the SD card slot, the memory card slot. That's the recording button, that's the on-off button. We turn it on, it asks us to choose our language, and then it asks us to download the app on our smartphone to sync it with the camera. After that you need to download the firmware, update the firmware, and connect the camera via Wi-Fi, of course, that's first, and set up the camera and open your account with the Insta360. Let's take a closer look at the camera, shall we? This is how you turn it on. This key right here. Again, this is first time setup, that's what it's asking us to do. We need the app on the phone. Update the app and the firmware on the camera itself. After that we'll be able to capture, edit, transfer files from the camera to the app on the phone and vice versa. We can do a bunch of things with the memory card as well. It also has tutorials and pretty nifty and useful stuff. You can turn off the screen by pressing on the on switch, on the on key, just once. To turn it off you press 3 seconds or so and it will turn off the camera. To turn off the screen, just press on it once. The shutter is only press once to start recording video, press only once to capture a picture, to snap a picture, depending on what mode you are in, video or picture. Keep pressing on the on switch 2 to 3 seconds and it will turn off. Not the switch, the on button, the on key. You press it a couple of seconds, it will turn off. Now use this switch to take the battery off, and then you can take apart the camera, the module, the core module from the 360 lenses like so. And this is the mounting bracket. Let's put the camera together again. Like so. see the switch on the battery? You have to press that to take the battery off. And now, when you insert it into the bracket, you gotta be careful. It has to align the buttons, the keys, the on key and the shutter button. The shutter key have to align with the one in the bracket, so you can press them once all the modules are together inside this bracket. Put it like that, like so, and this lever goes in there to keep some pressure on it. There we go. Now on the bottom of this accessory we have a standard tripod mount for invisible selfie stick. That's where the selfie stick will go. We gotta take this sticker off. You can use other accessories from other cameras with this as well. That's where the selfie stick will go. Oh, one more thing. This is the lens cover. It doesn't go that way. It goes on the side. So what we're gonna do is do it again. Cover both lenses from the side. That way it protects the lenses while you're not filming with the camera, while you're moving it around. Now let's proceed to unbox the selfie stick, the invisible selfie stick by Insta360. Once you're shooting in 360 mode, the stitching will make it disappear. It will be out of the image. It will disappear under the stitching lines. You won't see the selfie stick while you're shooting. In both modes, picture and video, 360 VR, or just like a 5.7K image. It's 5.7K video. Installs like so, screws in there. And you can see at the bottom of the invisible selfie stick you have another mounting point for a tripod. This is the right way to use the accessory for the selfie stick, on the left side or on the right side, depending on where you're looking at it, to install the selfie stick. There's a bunch of accessories that can go under the selfie stick. Alright, so also X for ZeroZeroX.com, on YouTube at ZeroZeroX, showing you the unboxing and quick setup of the hardware setup of the Insta360 One R 360 edition action 360 camera with interchangeable lenses with a modular design. Check our music videos for test footage of 360 VR video content, as well as our new music. Check our different sections on the YouTube channel, like the gaming section, the Dream Computer Setup section, and the music video sections for original music by yours truly, also X. Thank you for watching, and as always, peace.